Garlic is a very common seasoning in our cooking, but many people are troubled by its difficult to peel skin and unpleasant smell. Don't worry. Today I will share 3 useful techniques for peeling garlic. Once you master these methods, peeling garlic will no longer be a hassle. Hello everyone, welcome to Jinmang's Life Tips. Method 1: Bottle Cap Method. Before learning how to peel garlic, we first need to learn how to select garlic. It's best to choose garlic that is plump, has no signs of sprouting, with tightly packed cloves and intact, undamaged skins. Garlic selected this way will usually be of good quality. Most people peel garlic by smashing it with the back of a knife, but this method results in incomplete cloves, suitable only for garlic paste. If you want whole garlic cloves, you might try using a plastic bottle cap. We can take the garlic we need to peel, lay it flat on a cutting board, and cut off the bulb end of the garlic with a knife. After that, break the garlic into individual cloves, making it easier for the next step. Take a bottle and unscrew the cap, preferably one without sharp serrated edges to avoid cutting your hand. Then, hold a clove of garlic in one hand and the bottle cap in the other, and use the edge of the cap to scrape along the top of the clove. You'll find that the skin of the clove comes off quickly without needing to peel it by hand. The bottle cap method is fast and keeps your hands clean, making it very suitable when you need 4 or 5 cloves of garlic in a pinch. Additionally, you can also peel garlic using a plastic bottle. Take a clean plastic bottle and put the cloves directly inside it. For best results, it's best to put in 10-15 cloves at a time. Once added, put the cap on and shake the bottle vigorously for 15-20 seconds. As you shake, the cloves will collide with each other and hit the walls of the bottle, which will loosen or even remove the skins. After shaking, open the cap and pour the cloves onto the cutting board. And you will find that most of the cloves are already peeled or the skins have loosened, making it easy to take out the clean cloves with just a gentle pull. It's really convenient. This method is suitable for a small number of cloves, but if you need a large quantity, you can try the water soaking method below. Method 2: Soaking Method. Prepare 1 or more heads of garlic. Use a kitchen knife to cut off a small section from the top of the garlic head. Next, break the garlic apart into individual cloves. When breaking them apart, try to keep the garlic skins intact. Prepare a clean bowl or basin and pour in warm water, with a temperature between 40-50 C. Then, place the separated garlic cloves into the warm water, ensuring they are fully submerged. At this point, you can gently stir to allow the water to evenly contact each clove. Now it's time to patiently wait. The soaking time is generally 20-30 minutes. If you're in a hurry, you can shorten the soaking time. After the time is up, use your hands to fish out the garlic cloves and gently drain the water. You will find that the garlic skins have become soft and moist, and some may have even started to loosen. Pick up a clove of garlic, and you will notice that the garlic is already very easy to peel. The soaked garlic skin is very soft and can be handled with almost no effort. The advantage of the soaking method is its simplicity, suitable for large batches, while the downside is that it requires waiting. If you need garlic urgently, you can try the following 3-step method. Method 3: Chef's Knife Method. First, prepare 2-3 whole heads of garlic and place them on the cutting board. Take a kitchen knife and position the blade against the gaps between the garlic cloves. Cut downwards until you reach the bottom, separating the garlic head into several parts for easier handling later. Next, cut off the bottom of the garlic, which is the root, making a clean cut. After cutting, place the garlic properly. Take the kitchen knife and lay the back of the blade on the garlic. Apply pressure firmly, but be careful with the strength. The goal is to press the garlic, not to crush the cloves. And if done smoothly, the entire garlic skin will come off. If the skin is still tight, you can press it again or change the angle of pressure. For particularly stubborn garlic skins, here's a little tip. Pinch both ends of the garlic clove with your thumb and index finger and gently squeeze in opposite directions. This will apply pressure on the skin and make it easier to peel off. This method only requires 3 steps, and once you're familiar with it, the operation time will be much quicker. The materials required for this video are shown in the picture. If necessary, you can take screenshots and save them by yourself. Alright, that's it for today's sharing. I hope these methods are helpful to you. If you have any other tips on peeling garlic, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and follow for more practical life tips.